cut your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they did send me this bob wig. I'm not sure of the length. I think it's either 12 or 10 inches, and I did go in and kind of like straighten the ends a bit, but for the most part I think it's around 12 or 10 inches. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So this is the package, and inside the package they sent me some stocking cap. The stocking cap is dark from my skin, so this would work for me, but if you're darker skin tone then you're fine. They sent me some hairbrush, which I was using. They sent me some baby hair comb, their information card, the bag to put the wig in, also some clips to like help with the installation. But if you guys would love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I want to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. The link to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase it, then definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. All right.